The Arctic. The Arctic region can be found at the very north of the Earth. It's the area around the North Pole. What does the word Arctic make you think of? What adjectives could you use to describe the Arctic? Perhaps you could think of icy or frozen. Can you think of any other adjectives that you would add to this? You could draw out a little spider diagram into your book and see what other adjectives you could think of to describe the Arctic. Funnily enough, P3, the word Arctic doesn't have anything to do with cold or ice or frozen or anything like that. It comes from a Greek word, arctos, which means bear. Now, you might think that has to do with the polar bears, but no, it doesn't have anything to do with the polar bears either. It actually has to do with the stars. And in particular, two constellations or groups of stars that are found in the northern sky. Can you find out their names? The Arctic covers an area that stretches from parts of Canada all the way round to parts of Russia. Have a look at this map, boys and girls, and list all the countries that you can see that are part of the Arctic. These ones here. Make a list of all the countries that you can see that make up the Arctic. In the Arctic, the weather is extremely cold and often very windy. There's a lot of snow and ice too. Large areas of land inside the Arctic Circle are tundra. Tundra is mainly flat, frozen land. But in the summer, the ground thaws a little on the top. And so, as you can see in these pictures, some plants can grow. But the soil underneath stays frozen all the time, so trees can't grow in the Arctic as their roots can't push down into the frozen soil. Boys and girls, can you find out some of the names of the plants that can grow on the tundra? And write a little list of any that you can find the names of in your home learning books. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on Earth, and much of it is covered by ice. The North Pole is actually in the Arctic Ocean, but the sea around the North Pole is always frozen and covered in snow, which makes it look like land. What is happening to the Arctic ice as a result of global warming? Well, you could try this fun investigation at home, boys and girls, to find out. Freeze some water in bowls to make icebergs. Add your icebergs to a tray or a basin with a small amount of water already in it. You could put a mark on a stick or on a wooden spoon to show how deep the water is at the start. Add some Arctic or Antarctic animals too if you have them. Use your stick or your wooden spoon to measure how deep the water is as the ice is melting. What do you notice when all the ice has melted? What might be happening in our oceans as the Arctic ice melts? Have fun with your investigation, boys and girls. Bye.